Automation is gonna take your job, so don't be an accountant. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Nicole and I'm so happy you clicked on this video. On my channel, for those of you guys who are new, I talk about my experience within the accounting industry. I do have some beauty videos and some lifestyle vlogs. If you're interested in any of those topics, then make sure you click that subscribe button and help this family grow. A lot of you guys have been asking me in regards to accounting and automation, and if automation is taking over, if accountants are going to lose their job in the foreseeable future, and I'm going to answer that today. So yes, automation is going to take your job, so don't be an accountant. I'm kidding. So automation, first of all, what is automation? So AI technology. So AI technology is, I'm gonna have a definition somewhere on the screen, but basically it's technology that is there to improve your work processes, to improve work efficiency, and to cut back on time that it takes to do a certain function. So I can say within the accounting industry, we have just regular Excel, and then we have Power BI, which is Excel on steroids. You have your payroll functions, you have tax functions. So you have different applications and things that are there to basically make your life easier, make your job easier, and it's there to improve work efficiency and work processes. So within the accounting industry, yes, automation is in full swing. We're seeing that across the board. At my last job, when I was doing internal audit, we were actually starting the talks and processes with the current public firm that I work for in terms of getting automation software for internal audit. And even in public accounting, automation is in full swing. Within our audit software, we have softwares that help us generate our sampling. We have softwares that help us analyze certain data, and it is actually really good tools because it cuts down on the time that it takes for us to do certain functionalities, so that way we can focus and test on other riskier areas. So my opinion is that automation is a really good thing. And now I'm just gonna go into the topic of if it's going to take over accounting jobs. And the answer of that is going to be no. It's not going to take over accounting. It's not going to take over accounting jobs, because at the end of the day, these tools are there to help generate certain types of data and analyze data. However, you still need that human functionality. You still need the human end user to be there to look at the data, to revise the data. And technology is great, but it's not 100% perfect. And there are things, certain criterias and things that these tools can miss, and which is why we as accountants are there, so that we can go through the data, analyze the data, see anything that was missed, because we know what we're supposed to be looking for. And if the computer, or if that formula, that equation missed something, we can then go back into the original data and then just pick it out, you know. I've had instances where I was generating certain data, and the formula that I did, even though it was a correct formula, it wasn't picking up on certain things, you know. So that end user functionality will always be there. So that is why I say, like, automation is great, but us accountants will never be without it. And however, it also comes down to what you're doing in accounting and your professional skill set. So with automation, everyone needs to make sure, if you're going into this accounting practice, that you are well versed. You need to know what's out there. What are the automation, the AI technologies that's out there that accountants are using, that firms are using, that clients are using, like payroll, within payroll, within tax. So like payroll, like ADP, everybody should know ADP is the payroll processing software. They use AI heavily because no one's gonna do payroll for like 5,000 people by hand. Like no one no longer does that. You need automated technologies to be able to get that and process that. And then you have the end user who is then there looking, making sure that nothing is missed, all the information is correct. And then you have auditors who come in like us to check certain things and make sure that stuff is just not funky or missing. I would tell you guys, automation is not going to get rid of us accountants, but you as an accountant or as somebody considering going into the accounting field, you need to step your game up.
Yeah, guys, so like I was saying earlier, you need to be updated with accounting technology, accounting software. Make sure you guys are following trends and looking in the market and seeing what softwares are out there and get versed on those. I would recommend getting different IT certifications, getting different data analytics certifications, any software that you can come across that you think is going to be helpful. I would highly recommend that you guys go ahead and become versed, like be familiar with the IT world, get some IT certifications if you can, because that's definitely going to help you guys with the whole shift in automation and just make you stand out, so that way you won't lose your job because you're lacking skill set. And that's the main thing. Like, people are not losing the job because of automation. People are losing the job because of their lack of skills within IT and their lack of willingness. So guys, like I was saying, the problem is that people don't want to learn new skills, and that is why they are losing their accounting jobs as more automation is coming in. So as long as you are willing to learn new skill sets and adapt to what is going on, you should be fine in the accounting industry. I highly recommend that people go into this industry and that people become accountants. I highly recommend it, and I'm not gonna stop stressing it enough. Like I said before, make sure you click that subscribe button and join this family. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Help this family grow. We're gonna get to 2,000 subscribers by the end of March. That's gonna be my birthday gift from you guys to me.